Order templates is a feature in the gateway that lets you more easily process transactions that you do time and time again. The easiest way to add one of these is to go to any of the sale pages, and then in the order information section, you have an order templates button. If you click this, you get this little pop-up, and there's nothing there right now, but you can go ahead and add your first template. Everything here can be added to any of your custom templates, and the only two fields that are required are the template name and the template ID. So I'm going to enter. The name is how you'll identify it in a list of templates, and the template ID is what you'll use if you're using the API to submit transactions. You can call templates with this value. I'm just going to add a couple simple things, so I'll make this $10, order ID 123, PO number 9999, and we'll say the shipping on this is $1, the tax is 58 cents, and we'll add a commodity code of 1. So I could add some product info, I could add some other values, but I'm just going to leave those as is and hit Save Template. Now I've got a template saved here, and I'm ready to go. So I can either use it right away, and if I use it, it'll fill it out in the form. So the amount is filled out, the order ID, PO number, all these values that I entered are on the page, and all I have to do is enter my card information and go down to here and charge. And there we go, that was successful. So then the next time I go to do a credit card sale, I can easily just go to order templates, say use this template, and there we go. I'll just enter the card information again, and I'm good for the next customer. Now, if you want to just do this every single time, let's say you have this order, it goes through a ton of times a day, and you just want to make it easy, you want no clicks to do that, you can also do that with default templates. So if we go back to the order templates, we have a couple icons here. You can edit the template, so this just takes you back to the same page and you can make any changes. I'm not going to do that. And there's this icon here to make the default template. So when I click that, this is highlighted to indicate it's the default, and then there's this option to automatically load. If this is set, then when I close out of here and just go to the page like normal, when I come to the page, it will pre-fill this order and it'll just be there by default. So all I have to do is enter the new customer's info, hit charge, and there we go. It's processed. Want to do another sale? I go back to sale, enter another customer's card, hit enter, and there we go. So I'm processing transactions super quick, and all of this important information that's relevant for all these transactions is going to be here. If you have automatic loading turned on for a default template and you don't want to use it for a transaction, instead of going through and deleting every field, you can just hit the button up here to clear all fields, and now you're back to a normal transaction. You can enter the customer's info, and then everything else is just whatever you want for this one-off transaction. The next time you come back to the page, it'll of course auto-load again for you. And this feature works across more than just the credit card sale page. It'll work on the credit card authorized page. It'll work exactly the same way. Same with any electronic check page. Recurring will do this. Customer Vault will do this as well, although on those pages, not all of this information is available. So on recurring, for example, not everything is going to be there, but what fields are there will fill out. In this case, the commodity code that I had entered in the template does not show up because I can't save that to recurring. Now, let's say I've already run some transactions. So let me run a transaction here on this card, and I'm going to do a different order. This is going to be a $5 order, and I'm going to do an order ID of ABC 123 and 1111. So very similar to the other one, but this one has ABC and 111. If I run the transaction, and I want to use this as a template, I didn't create it on the template page, that's okay. We have a button up here to create an order template. So from this transaction, I'll click that, and I get the template filled out with everything possible from this transaction. So I'm going to make this a different name and a different ID, and then save it. And now, when I go back to the credit card sale page, my default template loads automatically. So I have 10, 123, 9999, all that. But if I go to order templates, I have the second order, and I can use that one instead. And that'll replace everything on the page, ABC 123, 1111, and all of that's working as you'd expect, so I'm using the different template. If I want to go back to the default, I can just hit the Load Default button. Finally, if you're in a situation where you have lots of templates and you want to find a specific one, we have a search feature where you can search for just the second, and it's a real-time search, and it'll find just the ones that you're looking for. If you ever want to delete a template, say you no longer use this one right here, you can just hit delete and delete the template. And there we go, it's gone. So you only have the one template left, and it's currently set to automatically load every time you go to a page that can load a template.